Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Directv account. So basically, as the name says, Directv, the TV you know, service providing company. So basically, let me show you guys how we guys can log in into its account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's add one first step. You want to search for Directv. So once you search for Directv over here, make sure what you want to do is click on recent stream and satellite. So basically where it says www.directv.com, make sure it takes you to that. If it says this over here, you can click on the first link. It's going to take you to the official website of Directv. Now over here, what you want to do is click on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on Sign In, you want to click on Account Overview. Once you click on Account Overview, it's going to take you to the login page. So wait for some time. It should say Login Screen at the top of your browser. So once you're over here, what you want to do is enter the details directly we ask you. So here you need to enter your user ID. After enter the user ID, you need to enter the password of your account. And after entering your user ID and password, you want to click on Sign In. And if the user ID and password entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into a Directv account. And if you forgot the ID of your Directv, you can click on Forgot User ID to recover your user ID. And if you forgot the password, you can click on Forgot Password in order to recover your Directv passport, and click on Sign In, and you should be able to log in into a Directv account. And if you want to create yourself a new account, you can click on Create One now to create yourself a Directv account as well. So hope you guys understand this video. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. Bye.